If YouTube playlists are not your thing, you can find this course and more at paul.unfgames.com. It's easier to follow along and know where you left off. Now, let's start the video. Let's create a project that we can use for our learning. So let's click on Games. Blank is fine. Blueprint, Desktop, Maximum, without started content and ray tracing. So this is good enough. I'm gonna call it Blueprints Quick Start. And well, you can select the project location. Let's create. And let's wait a little bit. And this is the Unreal editor. Let's dismiss this and update the project, the U project. Perfect. So now, with this Unreal editor, we will have a lot of ways to create blueprints. You have even a blueprints button. You want to create a blueprint, new empty blueprint class. And we will see a windows that tell us to pick a parent class. Because blueprints is object oriented, then there is the concept of inheritance, which means that you can define parent classes and then use these parent classes to create another class based on that class. For example, if I created a vehicle class, then I could create a car class that inherits from the vehicle, and in the vehicle I will probably put properties like how many tires it uses, how many doors the vehicle has, and stuff like that. So whenever I create a class, a child class, then I do not need to do the same stuff all over again. The same logic applies to this. Unreal already gives us a lot of parent classes, and to know which one to use would be better if we examine the gameplay framework. But for now, we just need the actor one, because in this series of videos we will create a little coin pickup. Well, this was one way of creating a blueprint. The other one, we can go to the content drawer if we press Ctrl space. And here is my content folder. It's not a good idea to have assets floating around the content folder. It's usually a best idea to create a folder of the project. That this one is called Blueprints Quick Start. There it is. And inside it, for now, we can create a folder called Blueprints. Now, if I wanted to create a coin pickup, then let's do it. Right click it, blueprint class, and here an actor, like it says, an actor is an object that can be placed or spawned in the world. Our world is this, the level, and an actor, it can be anything that you can drag and drop on it. So let's select an actor. Let's call it BP for blueprints, and here coin pickup. Let's open it, and before opening it, we can already use it in the map. We can drag and drop it because it's an actor, and we can place it. So great. Let's double click to open it, and this will be the blueprint editor interface.